So I didn't leave a whole lot of room for journaling. So right now what I want to think about is what I want to say here. So I was almost thinking about putting it right in their hands. Maybe and I'll do this with my finger often. I'll kind of play with keys, the keys to my heart, keys to my heart. I could do that. The keys to my heart. Okay, so I have been getting a lot of questions regarding letters, and so what you could do is, this is just a sketch pencil. You could use any pencil. You could kind of sketch out your words first. Okay, and then just use a white eraser or a kneaded rubber eraser. I have, this is what I use. It's a kneaded rubber, but a white eraser works just as fine. And I actually just have chopped mine all in pieces, and I have them in different places. Okay, the keys to my heart. So what we're going to be doing is adding in the lettering. I sketched it in a pencil, and now I'm going over it with my black Sharpie. This is the extra fine, or can't remember, extra fine or ultra extra fine. So all I'm going to do here is go over my pencil mark. And then I like to have a sketched look, so I go over it again, kind of getting some variation. And my marker doesn't seem to be flowing too well, so let's go ahead and get it going. Alright, so keys. Okay, and then I just want to make sure that that's dry. And using my white eraser, just very carefully, I don't want to smear my letters at all. So definitely make sure this is dry before you go in and start erasing. I'm not entirely sure that mine was dry because I'm getting some smears. It's okay. I'll use it. What I'll do is I'll put a color wash behind it. Okay, so because my paint wasn't dry completely, I got some smears. So I'm just going to use my my colors here, and I'm going to put a little bit of a wash behind it. I'm going to use sorry, it looks like the gas company is parked out in front of my house. So I'm just going to add some, this is real watered down. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to go back with my pen. Well, it's a little bit hot here. And I'm just going to add some, I can't even touch it. I'm going to add some serifs and kind of thicken up the lines a little bit. Alright, it's good now. It looks like I have a little bit of it. Okay, some hairs on the end of my pen. So the serif that I like to use is like a little triangle, and so what I do is I make a little line like that, and then I do two little curved lines, and then I just kind of go in and thicken up the letter a little bit. And so do that over here too. And I add serifs to the end of everything. So if it comes to an end, it gets a serif. Picking up all kinds of crud. Okay. So just continue on playing with your letters until you get them how you want them. And gosh, this marker is just, I don't know what is on it. Okay, got it. And then these, I'm not going to add the serifs. And I'll work on this one. Maybe I'll give it a little serif right there. Okay, so I said I wasn't going to use them, and then link that one. And then I think I'm going to do inside the heart, I'm going to write heart. And I'm going to write it so that it fits in the space. Okay, that was kind of fun. So I'm just going to go ahead and embellish those. I think that the lettering might be one of my favorite parts of the page. Okay, so I'll be back.